All right. Do you want to see Nathan and I make this delicious cornbread? Watch this video. Don't forget to check back over the next few days for these Thanksgiving recipes. Hi everyone. I'd like to take a minute before we get started to talk to you about adoption. If you're not interested, please go to the description below and under chapters click the Let's Get Cooking link. It'll take you right to the cooking. As some of you may or may not know, our son Nathan is adopted. So adoption is something near and dear to our family's heart. And November is National Adoption Month. Before each video this month, I'm going to share with you a video that promotes a hopeful adoptive family from an adoption support group that my wife and I are part of. The group helps families pre- and post-adoption with questions, emotional support, friendship. It's a great group. Most of these families are going down the path of what's called private adoption. Private adoption is where you promote yourself, whether it be in social media, print advertisements in newspapers, or other online venues, in the hopes that an expectant mother who is thinking about placing their child for adoption finds the match with their hopeful adoptive family. Please watch this video, and if you know somebody who's expecting and thinking about placing the child for adoption, please share this video with them. There's also a link in the description below to this hopeful family's website.
Hi, I'm Myriam.
I'm Jim.
And nous parlons français. We speak hablamos español. One of my favorite places is the beach.
Mine too.
And so we love the ocean, that sunset, and we can't wait to add one of these loving big brothers. And we have a few of these wonderful, hello bonito. And we can't wait to get to know you.
Go ahead.
Hello and welcome to Nathan's Ramblings. Recipes, reviews, and ramblings. Today, we're making cornbread. The best cornbread ever. Let's get started. Alright, let's get started.
All right. Well, this recipe is very easy. We're going to start with, it's 2 of everything that we're going to use. So we'll go through the ingredients as we add them. 2 cans of sweet corn. Okay. That's sweet corn too. Add it in.
More sweet corn.
Okay.
And
Drained sweet corn.
I'm gonna do the
This is creamed corn. So 2 cans of creamed corn. You do it that
I'll
way.
do it.
That's why you gotta be careful. Make sure it's over the bowl. All right. Okay, you do it, and we'll wash your hands in a second. Oh, I'll get you a towel. Okay. All right. Here, why don't you stir that all in? I'm gonna get you a paper towel. Gentle.
Stir it in. Stir, stir, stir.
All right, here. Hold on a second. Let me wipe your hands.
Cornbread.
Let me wipe your hands. Let me wipe the other ones all over the other one.
And
Yeah, I'm gonna get that too.
we're making cornbread. Wow, that's so cool. And neat. Stir this all in. Go, go, go. Bum, bum, bum. Okay. Well, now
Just
stir it.
leave that right in there. Let's take a look. Oh, you did a good job. Okay. Now,
What do we do next?
we've got 2 sticks of melted butter. This
I'll
is
do the melted butter.
okay. It's salted melted butter. All right. Pour that in. All right. Go ahead. Stir it in.
All right.
Easy, easy. Now we don't want to spill this everywhere.
We're gonna do cornbread. I'll do it. I'll
So the butter's melted.
I'll do
Right.
it.
The butter's melted, but it's cooled a little bit. You don't want hot butter put in with the corn. Okay, after the corn, after the butter, leave that in there. After the butter, we're going to do 2 scrambled eggs.
I'll do the 2 scrambled
Okay.
eggs.
Do you want to crack the eggs? No. We're going to crack it in here. Okay. Here. Let me crack it. Let me crack it, and then you can split it. Okay. Here. 2 hands. 2 hands. 2 hands.
Okay.
Okay.
Crack it.
All right. All right. Let go. Let go. Let go. All right. That's it. That's it. Let go. Now do the other one. Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Smash it.
No, I know you'll smash it.
I'll do it. I'll do it.
Okay.
Okay.
2 hands over the bowl. That's it. All right. Good job. Okay. Let's wash your hands, and then we'll come back and you'll whip it up. All right. Go ahead and scramble that up
Like this.
like that.
Like this.
There you go. Break that yolk. Get it all scrambled in. Here. Like this. Here, I'll help you. Here, hold it like this. And then like this. Here, all right, let Daddy do it for a minute, okay? Okay. All right, hold on. We're going to move this back. And now you can pour in, we're going to pour in the 2 eggs. And the other reason we wanted that butter cooled is so that it didn't scramble the eggs when we added them. Stir it all up.
Do it all up.
Here, you know what? This might be a little easier for you. Hold on. This one. No, this one. Use that one. Okay, now that we have the eggs, the butter, and all the corn mixed together, we're going to add 2 packages of Jiffy corn muffin mix.
I'll do the Jiffy corn.
All right, hold on. You can pour it in, and I'll open them, okay? Here, you open the little baggie. Use 2 hands. No, it doesn't come out of the box. You just unfold this and open it up. Look. All right, let me show you. Look, see, it unfolds. And then there you go. Now, open it up like that. No, don't put your hand in there. Don't put your hand in there. No, you're just going to take the box and dump it in. Okay. Okay.
I'll see something
Okay.
on the back.
All right, go ahead and mix it in. So that's... You gotta go easy, baby. All right. Stir it up good. Gentle, baby. 2 hands if you have to. There you go. Like this. There you go. Like one here, and one there, and then stir like that.
I'll do it.
All right, it's all mixed up. Good job. Now we have to butter the pan.
Thanksgiving.
All right.
What's this?
This is the 9x13 pan we're going to put it in. And you need to butter it. Okay? Hold the stick of butter like this. Okay, and then rub that all over the whole pan. That's it. Get the whole thing. It's like you're coloring.
This is like a crayon.
But it's butter. Get the whole thing. All right, you got a little on your finger. That's okay. Okay, Daddy's gonna finish it, and we'll wipe your hands into it. Well, yeah, I'll get you a towel and wipe your hands. All right, you do it. Go ahead. Gotta get it all on the sides and everything, okay? All up here. No, not on top. Just on the sides and the insides like this. Okay?
So on the inside and like that.
Yeah, like that.
I'll do it like
Okay,
that.
all right, that's good. Now just rub it around with your hand if you want. Just rub it all over like this. All right, you do that. I'm gonna get us some paper towels. Don't touch anything with that all over your hands. Oh boy, you're getting in with both hands. All right. Okay, that should be good. Let me see. Good job. All right, let's wipe your hands.
Wait, do some more.
No, that's enough. Next, we're gonna pour in the batter. Okay? The cornbread mix. All right, 1 second, I'll help you, because it's heavy. Yep, we're gonna pour that all in. All right, leave it right here so they can see everything. Okay?
And
That, hold on. And we're gonna use this so we can scrape it all down. Okay. Oh.
I'm gonna do it.
Right.
I'm gonna scrape
No,
it
we're gonna.
down.
All right, here. I'll hold it and you scrape it into the bowl.
Okay.
Gentle, gentle.
Scrape. Scrape.
All right, gentle, baby, gentle.
I'll do it.
Okay.
Scrape. Scrape. Scrape.
Okay, let me see. I think that's good. All right, it's just a little bit more.
It's mixing on this side.
Okay, we're gonna spread it out. Take this and go like this and spread it.
I'll do it.
Okay,
I'll do
spread it all nice and even. Okay, that's good. Perfect. All right. All right, hold on. I'm just gonna clean up a little bit of a mess here. Wait.
Serve it.
Okay.
Do we serve it?
No, next we're gonna bake it. Okay?
Bake.
So we're gonna bake it. We're gonna bake it at 350 degrees for probably about an hour, between 45 minutes and an hour. We want the top to be nice and golden brown, right? We want it to be golden
Yeah.
brown, but the inside is gonna be super moist. And that's the great thing about this recipe. It's such a moist cake, a moist cornbread. It's not like a traditional cornbread, which is typically a little more on the dry side because of the butter, the cream corn, really, really moist inside. It's really
I
great.
bake it down.
Okay. Let's get it in the oven.
I'm gonna get it in the oven.
All right, Daddy will put it in the oven. The oven's hot.
Don't forget to check back over the next few days for these Thanksgiving recipes.
Let's give it a try, Nathan.
Okay.
Okay, hold on. How about you use a fork?
It's corny.
Okay, give it a try. How is it? Give it your review.
Go.
It's good? All right, let me give it a try. This cornbread is out of control. It is so good, so rich, so moist. You have to give it a try. If you do, comment down below. Let me know how it is.
If you like it, give thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell. Ding ding, bye.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.